This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Trish Ellis. On your mark. Get set. Go. Who is going to win this one? Pool home on a corner lot. Get ready to start packing. Plant City location with no CDD fees and a low HOA. Stunning home with open downstairs layout with new laminate flooring. Flex room in the front of the house, could be perfect for a home office. Large living and dining room. Chic kitchen with dark cabinets, island and walk-in pantry. All bedrooms are upstairs. Wait until you see this master suite, oversized bedroom, huge walk-in closet, large bath with lots of storage space too. Pavered screened lanai and pool with sun deck and spa. Spacious corner lot near the community playground and it is fully fenced. Community offers low fees, community pool and playground. Come see this great home today. Hurry! This one will not last long. Here today, gone tomorrow. For more information,